I'm going to be showing you how do you add Instagram to your Etsy shop. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is connect Instagram to Etsy. So the first method is to add Instagram link to your shop. So this is the main way. So the first thing you need to do is go to Etsy and you need to find the option of Shop Manager and go to your settings. And on info and appearance, you need to find links around the web and click on add a link. And then you can just choose your Instagram and enter your username or profile link and click save. So your Instagram will now be shown in your shop page. And you can also try adding Instagram in your shop description. You can just edit shop and add your Instagram, like follow us on Instagram, and then add your username. And this helps customers find you. So in this way, you can successfully add Instagram to Etsy. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.